Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me over here on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm back with another reveal video for you, and today I'll be sharing the Slimline Scenic Window Die. This is a fantastic die, so many possibilities. Here it is cut out for you. It measures 8¼ inches long by 3¼ inches wide. The small windows measure about 1¼ by 2 inches, and the large window measures about 3 by 2 inches. And the other thing that I really like about this die is that there is some stitching and piercing detail around the edges and around the windows. And then on the windows that actually cut out, those pieces are very usable as well. They also have stitching around the edges. I do have a sample to share with you today. I used the Slimline die in conjunction with the Gnome for Christmas stamp set, which was also released today. I thought that it would be very cute just to have them sitting in front of those windows, and then I did add a snowy background behind them using the Polka Dot Stencil and some texture paste. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information about the products, they'll all be linked in the description box below for you. We'd love to have you join us over on Instagram as well as our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.